hair thickening serum. After losing a bunch of weight, I have shed a ton of hair and my hair is still shedding. And yes, it's growing back on its own, but anything I can do to help it grow back, I'm up for. And I tried different hair thickening serums. I like a few different hair thickening oils. But the biggest drawback to most of them is that for most of them, you are meant to use them daily. And I do find that really difficult in my super fine hair because putting oil in my hair every day like that means I end up having to wash my hair more often. And this one is a water-based serum. So I'm super excited and intrigued to try this guy. And the main thing I'm looking for is to get the shedding to slow down, but anything I can do to encourage my hair to grow back faster is also great. So I can't say I recommend this one yet. No one has paid me to try it. I just found it at my local Cosmoprof and I was intrigued by the fact that it's water-based, so I decided to try it. But stick around, follow, and I will update you in a couple weeks, every couple weeks, to let you know if it's working.